right, before we get to today's video, our CJRC weight loss challenge starts today, and we're gonna weigh in. I've been bulking up a little bit. Yeah, I went to the gym this morning, but I had it already scheduled. We were supposed to weigh in yesterday. It's $60 each, day one. Every 2 weeks, the person who lost the least has to put in 40 bucks, the second, 20 bucks, and whoever lost the most doesn't have to put anything in. So I'm gonna give these guys, Josh and Mark, one more chance. Today only, if you give me 100 bucks each, we'll just wipe this off, and we'll just get to the video right now. We don't have to weigh in or nothing. 100 bucks. You sure?
Yeah. Dude, he's too confident.
I'm trying to save you guys
I don't
money.
think he understands what he signed up for.
No, he don't
I'm trying to save you
know.
guys money.
He don't know.
I already got a doctor on deck that will cut my leg off at the knee and put it back on after the last weigh-in.
To be honest with you,
I'm just telling you my secret. I'm just telling you my secret. All right? That's it. Then everyone put their money in here, the biggest loser bucket, and let's weigh in. Josh, foot knife. Foot knife's going first. That's a foot. That's a foot. That looks like it says foot. All right, let's see.
Listen, LOL, you need to calm down.
Jay, guy. Go ahead, step on it.
He's old white. See if I'm bulking up?
Let's see. 260 is what he weighed in. That's not the real weigh-in. This is the official weigh-in.
Official weigh-in.
You can't weigh in with your hat, though. Are you going to weigh every time with a hat?
Nope, I'll take it off.
All right.
Take it off.
I
know it's a big
Let's see.
hat, but it don't weigh that much. Get off of it!
I was going to say, Josh, you cheating. Really bulked up. He must have swallowed some lead weights or something.
Dang.
263.
Okay, so
He did gain 3 pounds. All right. It's 263. That's the official weigh-in.
it was a long week in Indy.
263. All right, Mark, your turn.
Check his
You sure?
pockets.
He said, I'm sure.
It looks
You got any
bulky.
pockets?
No.
You got some
I got a wallet.
Oh, you got some tools in there?
How much you weigh? How much you weigh? Tell us the official
Let's
weight.
see. Identical, 274. You didn't bulk up.
274?
274 is 274.
All right. Let me see. Let me see what I did. Do I weigh in with my phone or no?
I mean, it's attached to your hip, so you might as well.
All right, let me take that out. 228.
228.
I don't think I gained any weight. I'm gonna.
Let's see if your game.
I tried my
Let's see if
best.
your gym. Oh,
Is it working?
same. 228.
Dies.
I'm the only one playing
Consistent.
the game here.
All right, that's all right, but it's percentage, so which I still don't think is fair. I'm gonna be honest. I think we should have done like body fat.
Well, I told you, well, I'm down for whatever.
But
I want this to be the fairest lose you get.
What do you think you're a good weight? Like if you got down to your ideal goal.
It wouldn't happen in this time frame, but I would like to be around 200 pounds. If I can lose
So you got 63. I could only lose about 40 pounds before I look like a skeleton.
Yeah, you look like you'd be on that weird diet no one likes to.
Yeah, I look like a popsicle stick with a giant head. So I can't lose much more than 40
Them
pounds.
stick
but-
figures we used to draw when we were in elementary school, big old head and stick body, that'd be you for sure.
Yeah, see, if I lose 28 pounds and you lose 20 pounds, you're still going to be big.
I mean, this would go down.
Well, you're definitely going to be less bigger for sure. All right, we're going to start here. We'll just start losing as much weight as we can. Maybe next week we'll go to a body fat thing and we'll keep that in.
What's the final rules though? Like loser of the whole
If
competition.
the loser,
Loser of the whole competition
I think he's gonna have to shave it.
has to get a tattoo of my signature.
Now that, see, I've
That's
already
it.
lost. Can't do that.
Well, we'll get another one because I might change it again.
The people said they want to see losers shave their beard.
Oh. What do you think about that? Off. Like not down, off.
Like clean baby face.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll do it, but if I do happen to become the biggest loser, or the less biggest loser, I should say, I at least got to keep the mustache. That's the only thing. I can't shave the mustache. I've never had a clean face with no mustache, so I kind of want to see what it looks like.
What do you think, Mark?
Take it all off.
Take it all off.
I think we got to take it all off.
Take it off?
Yeah.
I'm fine with
Here,
that.
you got a tattoo of my
too.
signature. The
Stop
least
it.
thing you got to worry about your mustache.
I know. That's pretty bad.
They
You'd
want
be
the
all right.
hair too, or just
Just the beard.
Oh, what if we do everything? Eyebrows and all.
No. I am not doing eyebrows. Eyebrows will take a year back to grow for me.
All right. Beard and mustache.
Beard and mustache. Beard
All
and
right.
mustache.
All right. Deal.
that's fine.
It's locked in.
Locked in.
All right, guys. I'll see you in 2 weeks. We'll
Yeah.
see where we're at. 100 bucks?
I want to start
Wanna walk
trimming
away?
ever so slightly,
100 bucks.
a little bit more and more. just
One
so you
last
get
shot.
used to it.
One last shot.
We can edit this out. It's not too late.
But I do think if whatever place he comes in, that's not first, he's got to come to the next track event in an Amish outfit. The top hat, boy. Horse and buggy.
All right. We'll see. All right, let's get to today's video. Today's video, we're going to have quite a bit in here because right now we're getting ready to leave for Cletus's Indy 800. Josh loaded up the trailer. He's bringing up merch. and we are ready with our new autograph. Hopefully that works out well. Josh got his tattoo, and we're excited. It's gonna be an awesome event when we get back. Actually, while we're gone, Taylor's gonna be working on Taal Order. I know a lot of people have been asking about Taal Order, and we have some new parts that we will unbox when we get back, but they will be working on Taal Order while we're gone, and we will show you that progress and continue the progress when we get back. Let's get Indy.
He didn't bad. He didn't do bad.
Thank you. That's pretty
But-
decent.
If you don't just art around that, then there's something wrong with you.
No, the whole thing is.
Don't cover that up.
Are you practicing? I actually have. So they're gonna get better though. Let me see. Let me see.
Tattoo turned out pretty good.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, that's better, right?
Better.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, there you go. That's good. That's good.
At least you can see the C and the J, so we're making progress. I appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. Thank you guys. It's down there somewhere.
He's got his own hat.
Badass. Thank you.
We got it.
We're in on everything.
See? Yeah, told you.
Hey, where's my beatbox? He's my beatbox guy.
Yeah,
He can make the noises.
make the noises.
I haven't eaten either, so I'm a little shaky this morning.
Let's see the CLOL.
No. See, better now.
$30. Double signed 101. All right. We need your best.
My best signature.
You
on
got to
it?
go first because if it's bad, we can't give it.
We
to
just
you. We
toss
gotta
it,
sign the
toss it
name.
in the trash.
No. We just
Where am I?
can't.
Where am I signing at?
Sign it off.
That's
Dude,
good. That's
you know,
good.
You know what your last name signature looks like? Have you ever seen John Force's signature?
That's what somebody else said.
That's what he signs John as.
I told you.
Exactly
look,
that.
Look, it looks just like it. Look.
Your Josh looks like it says feet. I don't even want to hear it.
No, it's not.
Bro, I don't want to hear it.
They're 25. The white ones. 50.
One of one.
Tattoo.
You'll have the only one like you, bud. You're the only one like it. Here, will you get a picture with it?
You gotta get closer.
All right, hey, do it like you're doing the tattoo last time. You know what I'm saying? I'll sit like I'm. Hey, I'll sit awkward as hell too. Hold
I
on.
don't want to mess it up. Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. That's
There
perfect.
you go. You need to trace it out.
Oh, wait. Look.
Oh!
No. We're good. We're good.
Oh,
That's
hold on.
Bro,
You
you
gotta get the last
got a
one.
fatter arm. So
Oh, you gave me a little John. He's got a big John.
Well, he's a lot bigger.
I couldn't even read what that was.
No, that's
A
bad. All
lot
right.
of people don't.
We did a first signature at Freedom 500, right?
Correct.
And then this is a new and improved one. It is better. I do now that I see how bad it was. It was pretty bad. Yeah. The new one looks better for sure. if you leave a little bit of room on your pulley, right?
Yeah.
And measure the pan in the back to the floor and the pan in the back in the front to the floor, and it's an inch different, then you got to cut an inch off to clear it and be level. Does that make sense? Instead of just trimming and trimming and trimming. Am I making sense or not?
I mean, yeah, I get what you're saying. But with that pump being right there, I want it.
Well, you realize it's going to look exactly the same as it does right now. It's just going to be higher on the bottom.
No, because if I take an inch off of it,
Yep. Then you're going to move the pan up an inch.
or 2 inches off of it,
Then you're going to move the pan up 2 inches. And the top's going to be the same as it is now. The bottom's just going to be level. Does that make sense or no?
still gonna have to clear. And I don't.
What?
Just let me keep going.
Well, yeah, but don't. I know how you be sometimes. You'll be take 3/8 of an inch off for the next 2 weeks until it fits. We're not going to do that. So like I said, get your clearance on both sides, clamp it, because right now you're about 6 inches lower on the
Yeah,
side.
I'm low on that side.
So get it level till you have some clearance on the front where you like it, right? And then we're going to measure the front of the pan right under this pulley to the ground and the back of the pan to the ground. We're going to see what the difference is. And then we're going to trim that much off the front. And then it's going to look exactly the same as it does now, it's just going to be level.
Yeah.
That confused you, doesn't it? That's should be super simple, right?
Yeah, but how does that?
How does that what? Talk to me. I'm here for you. Right now it's going downhill 1 inch. let's say, right?
yeah,
But you like the way it looks up here, right?
yeah,
So if you trim 1 inch off the front all the way around,
yeah,
okay, and then you push it up 1 inch,
yeah.
that's gonna put the top back right where it is right now.
Okay.
No?
But why is that? How's that gonna give me clearance to this pulley right here?
Oh, well, you might have to notch a little bit more. around
That's
the
what I'm
pulley.
saying.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
So
yeah.
at this point, I can just
Okay. That's the only thing that's hidden.
at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not too far from being where I need.
About
to,
an inch.
I mean,
Not if you push it up like that.
I can do that, but the pulley itself is what's hidden.
Right. I see what you're saying.
The face of that pulley.
Yeah, just clearance that. Just go down here probably, and then go back up where you already got it. But if you got to adjust that alternator, it's gonna hit too. A little bit.
Oh no, we're taking this off to adjust the alternator.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
No, this is.
I mean, we shouldn't have to adjust the alternator often.
No, this is purely to run down the track. If you've got to take belts off or anything, this pan comes off.
Yeah. Okay.
And there's plenty of room between the pan and the belt
Yeah.
that it's not going to hit.
Even
if
if
it's
it-
running.
Yeah, yeah.
If you're running it.
The reason we are trying to keep this pan so tall is a lot of people do just flat pans, or the pans go to the bottom of the frame rails. But if this thing starts spitting oil out, or you kick a rod out of it, or whatever, there's a lot of oil in this. There's a lot of oil in a typical engine and oil pan. And you want to have like a containment area, not just a splash shield. And that's what that acts as, is if it starts spraying stuff, we got an oil pump here, it will actually contain a large amount of oil without splashing over the sides and frame rails. And that's what you want for two reasons. We don't want to get on the track, cause a bunch of issues at the track. You also don't want to get on the track and then get it under the rear tires and cause something even worse, which would be the car into the wall or whatever else. So that's why we do our containment pans like this instead of just flat pans that basically, I've seen people buy some universal pans and they notch them around a bunch of stuff and then there's a bunch of holes. So if there's any oil over 2 teaspoons, it's going to come out the bottom of that thing and cause some real issues. And that's not what you want. We try to make everything as safe as possible, and that's a big part of it.
See right there, it's just starting to touch. So the alternator right here,
Yeah.
but this side's high. This corner's high.
Yeah.
So I think once it's where it needs to be, it may have enough clearance. I may need to massage it a little bit
good.
more, but
I like it.
it's all close enough that it can be,
Yeah.
I can put the Zeus tabs on it.
You feel that door? Have you? It's not quite as light as a 240, but
It's almost there.
It's close.
It's close.
It's close.
It's about as light as that steel door is going to be when I'm done cutting it.
Yeah, probably. Jump in there. I think it's safe. Can you get in there without
Can
stepping?
I get in there?
Without stepping on any crap? I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's gonna be wild. I don't know if you could do a stick shift on this thing. You think?
Seeing where the, wow.
Yeah.
It'd be like right here. That Liberty's about as long as a 400.
Yeah, it's pretty
The
close.
shifter is all mounted off the back of it, and then you can have a shifter, so it'd be like right here,
I saw that. Yeah. Okay.
you know.
Where do you want the parachute handle at? Just where we normally put it, like right in
Yeah,
there.
like up here, anywhere here's fine. That's like instinct is to go here.
Yeah.
Well, this thing can almost have a flat hood. Yeah, it still has the mark on it from the shifter last time.
Oh yeah, look at that. He finished all the engine pans, trans pans done. The only sheet metal left is what he's doing in the back right now in the tubs.
To hold the tub.
What he's doing now,
Yeah.
tubs.
From basically from your back to the rears.
Yeah.
The sheet metal that's left.
I don't know. Let's look at what's in this box. I'm excited. I've been keeping that box closed for like 2 weeks. This should work. Oh yeah, try the handle. Look at that.
Dang, that's nice.
It's not bad, right?
Not much to look.
Huh? Yeah. Ease on, don't breathe on it while you're going on the track. The regulator mounted,
Yeah.
filters mounted.
Yeah.
In the past, we've always used the Jerry Bickle tubs that are carbon composite, and we decided to try their carbon tubs, which are supposed to be a little bit lighter and a little bit more money, but we got to be light.
Got some sheets.
And this is carbon sheet too. I think how many sheets did we get? 2, 4?
What do you pick it up? What it feel like?
It felt expensive. It felt like money.
I don't know that a little bit more expensive is
Yeah.
the correct.
Oh yeah, I feel that. That's pretty light.
Dang.
Oh yeah, it's
What's that tub weigh, you think? 3?
maybe,
Maybe 3 pounds?
maybe.
Maybe
crazy.
3 pounds. And it's got a Kevlar liner. That way if you blow a tire up or sling a rock at it,
Yeah.
it doesn't just blow through, because the carbon's really thin.
Oh, dude. The wind blows the right way, you fly away with it.
Yeah.
That's light.
Yeah.
That's smart though with a Kevlar liner like that.
Yeah. Definitely saved the tub if anything ever try to come through there and rock or something.
Well, without it too, you could almost see through it.
Yeah, they're
It's-
super
it's
thin.
so thin.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, so you have these in tomorrow?
Huh? This week probably.
Taking this in, no. That's crazy how much lighter it is.
Yeah, it's not perfectly round. It's more like that in the front. All right, so we got that. Taylor's working on the tub. We got all those carbon and titanium pieces made up here.
That belly pan.
That belly. Yeah, there's a lot of effort that goes into them units. That's not like a
Yeah,
real quick like belly. Have you seen the trans pan for this thing?
same way.
Have you? Bro, this trans pan's like, if you had to pay by the hour for the trans pan, you'd have about $3 grand in it. Probably.
Oh, wow.
We'll go ahead and let you know.
If you ever mess it up, we're probably not doing another one.
Jeez.
And then it pins in the mid plate and just Zeus's back here. But it looks killer.
Oh, yeah.
It looks cool. And it really will keep, like, that's kind of why we make the sides and stuff so tall and neat.
Yeah, keep the
That way, if
splash.
anything does, we're not also having an issue with oil under the tires, because
Yeah.
you don't want to have 2 issues at one time.
Nope.
Bad enough you kick the rod.
Bad enough you
You
broke
also
some
don't want to have
stuff,
to fix
you
the
know.
car, you know?
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, the alternator bracket.
Yeah, a little logo in there.
Mm-hmm. Get closer.
All done but finishing up, man.
That's it. You hear that?
Yeah.
Titanium turbo mounts.
Yeah. Oh,
See, the prep work's done. Prep work was 90% of the job. Finishing up's the 10% part.
Yeah.
That's where we're at.
I think it might be the opposite of that, unfortunately.
No, no.
No, a lot of the big stuff is done, really. It really is.